Hello my friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. So today it's a plant video and enjoy. This is my philodendron. This is how it is doing. This is the Brazil, and a new shoot is coming up. The leaves look just mind-blowing, beautiful. Now here is my geranium, which is going to bloom in a couple of days. Look at the buds. This is what I love to see. Oh my god, you look so pretty already. This is the plant, the solitary one which survived from the last year's batch. It's a long, lanky plant, and I'm just waiting for it to bloom. Although I know the color, but yes, I just love it. This is another pot of geranium, although it is not in bloom, but I am happy with its growth, so I'm showing it to you. This is the one given to me by my sister-in-law Rosa, and if you are watching this video, the plant is doing extremely well, and I think in a week's time I will be able to notice the bud, which I guess is forming there. My geraniums are making me happy, and yes, my Echeveria pulvinate ruby also looks mind-blowing. The Echeveria pulvinate ruby was given to me by my sister-in-law Prakriti, and this is the cutting that I had taken from the mother plant, and it is doing just wonderful. Look at it, and it's going to color up more. Now that's my bougainvillea, and yes, I can't turn my eyes away from my bougainvillea. Look at them, how beautiful, gorgeous they look. Now that is my jade, or the crassula, the twisted one, and yes, as the seller had told me, it has started to color up. In the middle it was quite dehydrated. After giving it a good amount of water, it looks healthy and plump, I should say. The leaves are hard right now, and new leaves coming up here and there. That's the best part, and it is going to color up as I have placed it in the full sun now. This is my poinsettia, yes, and finally they are about to bloom. Yes, they are about to bloom because the actual flowers are there, the yellow ones in the middle, and the red, the bright red things that we see are actually the bracts. They are not the flowers, as we all know, and they look just gorgeous. Now that's my tiny plastic pot where my leaf grown sedum is growing. I have dropped a few leaves and I'll keep you updated. Now this is my string of hearts, the variegated one, which I love, and they are a very shaky sort of plant, so I dare not touch them, but just occasionally I show it to you just to let you know how they are doing. Now look at these cutie pies. Oh my god, they are pushing each other and saying, I am more colorful than you. So pretty they are. These are all leaf grown. That's the best part about these succulents. Now that's the wandering Jew, which has been given to me by Prakriti. She had given me a tiny plant, and this is how it is doing right now. I just love this plant. It is so very soothing to the eye. A beautiful one. Now this is my chrysanthemum. I think the white variety I had not shown you. This is how they are doing. Beautiful plant, beautiful flowers. This is the pom-pom variety, the white one. They are all blooming, still laden with lots of buds. This is my kalankoi given to me by my sister-in-law Prakriti, and finally they look healthy and happy, and I am sure this year they are going to bloom. This is the red variety. Actually, when she had given it to me last year, it was already in bloom. After that, during the rainy season, I lost quite a lot of plants. So thank you, my dear friends, for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.